Billy predicted it would be a year of many changes for RhPAP. Billy was right. Here's a review of the exciting events of 2017, starting with a new mission as we expanded our role to include all healthcare professionals. We shared it with our board and got their input, rolled it out to all our staff, and then created a video to promote our new mandate.
We are evolving to meet the changing needs of a more multidisciplinary approach.
And I think that's going to result in healthier rural communities in Alberta.
We created a new strategic plan. It was out with the old, in with the new, and out on the road as our team of development consultants attended 115 meetings with 50 attraction and retention committees, including 9 newly formed ones in 2017. Along the way, they encountered enormous dragonflies, courageous swans guarding their eggs, ferocious meat-eating dinosaurs, and a large penguin. Dr. Hendrik van der Waard shared secrets to why the Bonnyville A&R Committee has been so successful.
You convey a message that you're part of a team.
RhPAP hosted 8 skills weekends across the province for post-secondary healthcare students. Here in Bassano, they enjoyed the unique opportunity to work on a computerized human patient known as the Medi-Man.
No, this is where we get to...
In Manning, they learned new skills and were treated to a community-hosted outdoor dinner and dance and visited a large solar-powered farm.
It's definitely an incentive to come back, to see more.
One of the things I'm going to put forward for my preceptorship is a rural experience.
Do you go like underneath the white stuff, or do you go
to the bottom of the wound?
In Milk River, after a busy day of skills, they had their wits scared out of them at a haunted house, tried skeet shooting, and went horse riding.
I really liked seeing the rural setting, how collaborative and friendly the environment was.
So I would definitely love to come here.
Yeah, me as well.
Bilingual students grew a greater appreciation for our north at a skills weekend in Fort McMurray.
Yeah, I was surprised with how beautiful it is. I didn't know how many trees were up here.
We planted a seed for future healthcare careers at 6 skills days in high schools, including in Sundre at our first ever nursing-only skills day. And in Fort Chipewyan, a huge turnout of Indigenous students came to learn more from healthcare professionals.
Everybody would love for our own people to come back to our community to practice.
We remember meetings with influential people like Sean Knight from the Ministry of Health and Al Kemery from the Alberta Association of Municipal Districts and Counties. Look at that, Al's wearing our new I Love Rural Alberta button, a big hit. We gave away hundreds and hundreds at their conference. We participated in 27 conferences and events, including the Accelerating Primary Care Conference in Calgary, the Endoscopy Skills Days in Banff, Northern Alberta Development Council, and the Fort McMurray Health Career Expo, to name a few. Our executive director teamed up with the College of Physicians and Surgeons of Alberta in Wainwright and Cold Lake for town hall meetings, with many more planned for 2018. Our accommodations team traveled far and wide, arranging housing for over 750 medical students and residents in 50 rural communities. And Shauna once stopped to rescue Mabel the dog from the side of Highway 2. Mabel had ran 10 kilometers from home. We were a voice for rural health, sharing stories of those who truly do love rural Alberta. From a physician who raises cattle, is there more money in ranching or medicine?
I think that question's yet to be answered.
To an RN who drives a combine.
I'm kind of a tomboy.
To a paramedic who loves the outdoors around Fort Chipewyan.
The community's really been very nice to me. I even brought my family over this summer.
To healthcare teams like this one in Grand Cache, proud of where they live and practice.
Grand Cache is as beautiful as it gets.
Our little healthcare team is like family.
Our communications team was also in the Crow's Nest for a feature on our board chair.
I'm Dr. Bird Reitzman.
And other health professionals who call this part of the province their home. We created a team of freelancers so our voice could be even louder, sharing news events like the opening of this new pharmacy in Bruderheim.
I'm not really sure what to expect.
And how the perception of rural changed for these Calgary post-secondary students from on the bus before a skills weekend to after.
If I was offered a job, I would totally take it out here.
On behalf of the Alberta College of Family Physicians,
we celebrated awards too, like the Patients Medical Home Outstanding Family Practice Award, presented to both the Moose and Squirrel Medical Clinic in Sundre and the Sylvan Family Health Centre in Sylvan Lake by the Alberta College of Family Physicians. We shared news of the launch of the Dr. Lynn McKenzie Scholarship, the grand opening of the Central Peace Health Centre in Spirit River, and honoring of longtime physician in the area, Tom Phillips, and the Care Course, where healthcare teams train together, like this one in Pincher Creek. That's just a snapshot of what happened in 2017. We and the Goats look forward to an even more exciting 2018.